Grace Kitchens, in association with the Culinary Federation of Jamaica, presents the Chef's Invitational Challenge on Creative Cooking. 8 chefs, 1 goal: to create the most exciting new recipes using Grace Convenience Foods and local produce, and to be the top chef of the challenge. Now, meet today's chefs and your host, Maisie Miller.
Hello there. Let's introduce you to today's challengers. On my left, I have Chef
Kamar Sullivan.
And you're from?
The Runaway Heart Hotel and Training Institute.
Beautiful. And to my right, I have Chef
Richard Baugh from Half Moon Hotel in Montego Bay.
Chef Sullivan, what are you cooking up for us today?
Well, today I'll be coating your own Grace Jack Mackerel with some plantain, served with some cassava and dasheen and pumpkin string beans.
Range of ground provisions. And what are you preparing for us today?
For today, I'll be preparing a Yam and Jackfruit Risotto with our jerk rack of lamb crusted with oatmeal and red wine sauce. Also accompanied with it, we'll be having a Tropical Rhythms Guava Jelly.
Let us now introduce you to our panel of judges. We have Mrs. Paulette Roden, a certified professional chef and a director of Crimson Dawn Limited. We have Mr. Steve Soar, the executive chef at Half Moon Hotel and the vice president of the Culinary Federation of Jamaica. And we have Dr. Janet Dyer, the CEO of the Runaway Bay Heart Hotel and Training Institute. Gentlemen, please proceed to your workstations. The challenge begins now. Chef Kamar, what are you doing over here? I see you have a mandolin. What are you slicing?
Well, I'm doing the cassava for the starch for the dish.
What do you have there, Chef?
This is our lamb racks.
Okay.
Actually, I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to it now.
Yes.
And then I'm going to stir it off.
Okay, right. Okay. You finished slicing sweet cassava and now you're working with dasheen, right?
Well, when I'm through slicing, I'm going to do them in a rundown sauce.
Seem to be doing fine dice or what? Yellow yam?
Yes, I'm fine dicing some yellow yam for my risotto.
Yeah, we're going to blanch these.
Okay, you're blanching. Beautiful color, sir.
Yes.
Okay. You're doing fine dice of potatoes. What are you making with your potatoes?
Well, it's for the starch for the dish.
Okay, fine. You're slicing pumpkin.
Yes.
At this present moment, I'm blanching my yams for my risotto.
Okay.
For vegetable, I'll be serving string bean and pumpkin as my vegetable.
I think I can work as fast as you, Chef.
I know you can.
Okay. Chef, may I invite you to come in and see?
Afternoon, chefs.
Hello, sir.
It's so good, Chef, that you're making use of. They're making use of local lamb.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's very, very good quality.
Both chefs are making excellent use of local produce. What's that, Chef?
Jackfruit.
What are you frying over here, Chef?
Well, it's a plantain.
Okay. You're slicing mangoes. Yes. What are you using the mangoes for?
It's going to be placed in the sauce.
Alright, after I've seared off the lamb, I've allowed it to rest a little.
Yes.
And now I'm applying my Grace jerk seasoning.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Maisie, I'll be back in a little while.
Okay, thanks, Chef. Oh, then you're coating
it with
the oats.
With the Grace oats.
Old-fashioned oats and
Yes,
that.
yes.
Okay,
In the fridge.
Okay. How long will you leave it there for, Chef?
I'll let it stay on the rest for about 5 minutes. Well, I'll blanch my string bean and my pumpkin.
Carrot.
Yes.
Pumpkin. What's that you're using, Chef?
Well, this is the jumpam, also goes in the sauce.
Actually, I'm just preparing some stuff to make my risotto, so I'm gonna crush some garlic.
Okay. Chef, what are you making there?
This is my red wine lamb stock. I'm reducing it.
You're preparing your red wine sauce and you're preparing?
The jam for my jello to go along with my lamb.
Okay, okay. A compliment for the lamb.
Yes.
Okay, good. Chef, you're finished blanching vegetables here.
Yes.
pumpkin that is, right?
Yep.
25 minutes is gone, guys. What about your plantain, sir?
Them ones, okay.
Okay. Now they are fried, you're putting them to drain. Okay. You're putting them in a plastic bag, chef?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me what is the purpose.
Well, now we're going to roll them and crush them. And just we have reinforcement. This is the breadcrumbs for the, well, not bread, but plantain crumbs.
Plantain crumbs, oh.
To crust the jack mackerel. Let's enhance it with some of Grace garlic pimento seasoning.
I'm getting a little bit more pumpkin from my main course.
Okay.
Vegetables.
Only 10 minutes. 10 minutes of preparation time. So you have sauteed seasonings and you're adding the yam to that.
Yes.
Fine diced yam.
Yes.
What is that you're adding there?
Jackfruit.
The jackfruit. Can you imagine, chef? Jackfruit combined with yam. Melted butter. Chopped onions. Chef, you just poured in some coconut milk?
Yes. Yes, coconut milk from a risotto.
Yes, over here we see interesting mackerel coated with plantain, crushed plantain that is.
Well, I'm doing this shell for the mackerel.
Okay. And that's plantain, right?
Yes.
Oh, you're blanching your vegetables, chef?
Yeah.
Okay. String beans here, sauteing. Pumpkin, you add a little onions there. A little bit of
Garlic.
pimento, ginger, and garlic. Okay, and you play with that, yes. Okay. Chef, what are you adding to the sauce?
I'm having a
I
little
see some
spicy sorrel chutney and some
spicy
guava.
sorrel chutney.
Yes.
You add some guava,
Jelly.
okay, guava jelly to that. And you're whisking that,
Yes.
right? Seconds of preparation time. 5 seconds. Stop cooking. You have 5 minutes left to plate and present the dishes to the judges. Five, 4, time is up. Please stop working. Now it's all up to the judges. One chef will move on to the next round. One chef will go home. Tune in for the judges' verdict this Friday evening at 7:50 p.m. Please don't miss it.
Grace Kitchens, in association with the Culinary Federation of Jamaica, presents the Chef's Invitational Challenge on Creative Cooking, taking Grace Convenience Foods to a new level. Who will be the top chef of the challenge? Join CVM TV for Creative Cooking every Tuesday and Friday at 7:50 p.m.